Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this '06 Ford F-550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive with 196,000 miles, 6.0 diesel. It's got 11-foot utility bed, 3,200-pound crane, hydraulic air compressor. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. It's a rust-free truck. I'm going to walk around and show it to you, then I'll show you the crane. Truck's in real nice shape. It's clean. We usually do these videos outside, but it's raining and I want to get this thing online. So just doing it in here. You got a place here for your welder. Toolbox. Tray here. Rear tires are probably 85–90% tread. This latch right here is not working, so somebody put some other latches on it. Vise. More toolboxes here. Craftsman box, someone's put in here. Place for your welding tanks. IMT DA 435. Alright, first I'm going to show you the crane. Here's your PTO switch, have your emergency brake on. When we come back in here, we'll have to flip this switch for the air compressor. I guess I could go ahead and turn it on. Back here you've got this valve here that transfers flow from the air compressor to the crane. Right now it says you push it for the crane, so it's pushed in. I'm just going to show you the basic functions on this crane. this lever. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. The website's heavymetaltrucks.com. You can go on there and check out a bunch of pictures of it. If you're looking at this truck out of state, we can get it shipped to you anywhere. We ship them in and out all the time, so that's not a problem. Just figure somewhere around $1 to $1.25 a mile, depending on where you're at. I guess that's about it on this one. Thank you for watching.